Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. It makes me so happy to sit outside. And today I got mail. Let me get closer to me, so I do not need to talk. So, with too much strength, I lost my strength of talking. So it's naturally whispering. So I got mail, and I was expecting it, and I was also surprised to get it. So you will see the video of me opening up. Okay. Okay. So, hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I get this shipping to me, and I will tell you the story. Let's see what it is inside first. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That's a little bit too much. Oh my. Do I open it? Gosh. Oh, I will get a piece of cloth. That is too pretty just to put it like that. Wow. Look at it. Wow. Oh. How do I open it? I do not even dare to touch it. Oh my goodness. I will not damage anything of it. Oh, this is too good. Oh my. Oh. What do I do now? Oh, here. Oh. What do I do now? Moosoo. Oh. Is this $5,000? No, it is not. How to use it? It's good, it's not Apple. You buy anything, there is no user manual, and there is a user manual how to use it. You plug in first gear, second gear, third gear, light, blink, and then you do this, and then you do this on your hair. Oh, you should have long hair. Gosh, this may not be right for me because I do not have long hair. Anyway, wow, this is too pretty. Oh, like this. Wow. It's very much like Thor, Avenger, or some like in the movie Thor. It makes me think of Thor. Wow. And this one is, put it here. Put it here. Where do I put it? Let me see. Let me. Oh, wow! It's magnetic. Choo. 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 A little bit away. Ching. Oh, that's cool. Ching. Ching. Okay. And here is. Oh, what is this? What is this for? 知白 资白 资白 Put it on the table or something? Ooh, that is tough to understand. Anyway, that is it. I will give it a try. So here is the story time. And sometimes as I was driving, I listened to radio, listened to YouTube, because when I was driving, I listened to YouTube and to some videos. I do not press any button. It just keep on playing. So there was one time, I do not know for what reason, there was one video pop up. It's about how to get sponsorship and how you negotiate or something. So just a couple of days later, in a beautiful sunshine day, I was sitting in my home, inside, not outside. And sorry for the wind. Oh, don't blow away. So I was sitting inside. I was thinking about some of the math problem. Mom bought 1,000 watermelon and give to 4 people in the family. Each people have how many watermelon? I was thinking about those numbers, and I was thinking about my mathematical. When I was math teacher, I make those ridiculous word problems, and quite amused. Bling! I got mail, and I received one email. And this email said, we would like to invite you some sponsorship and something. And I replied, that's a great idea. And my sponsorship, I can do sponsorship, but my price is something like my math, those crazy numbers. I will not tell you how many, whether it's 1 million or 1 billion, whether it's Beth Bezos or someone. Anyway, so I replied with a number, and I said, I was thinking, he must be thinking, this guy must be thinking, I am crazy, just cut off and never write to me. And it's one of my way to just have some fun, you know. And I was not thinking about getting anything. And within 2 or 3 minutes, that email crawling bing, 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 from my place, go to New York, go to Denver, go to Utah or wherever. Finally reached him and bounced back with another email. Of course, we totally believe you have that ability. I was so surprised. And he said, but for this particular project, we do not have, we certainly believe you have that potential. But let's give it a try. And we can start to give you something instead of a monetary, I forgot how it's, a monetary award. And then I was thinking, why do I need to get another product? So I was saying, well, if you cannot agree on that, maybe we can say bye-bye. I replied within 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes, the email go from Denver, New York, Chicago, bling, coming back to me. You are really, very interesting, he replied. How about we do this? I will give you one product, and I think it is sure that you can make use of it. It is from a $300 hair blower, and we give you a discount. You can share with your viewers, and if you get people buy from you and you generate some revenue, of course we can still keep on talking about it. And then I was thinking, if there is, so I checked about it, it looks so cool, then I will start to think about some punchlines if I do make a video. And that's about it. So this video, I do not know whether it's called sponsored or not, but it is a winner unboxing. I didn't pay for money, and I got this as free, and I did not make any money. They just sent me this, and my hair does not need it, but it doesn't hurt to make a video of it. And I think if you buy it from the link below, you may get some discount or something, but that is beyond my ability, anybody who buys something or not. So if you cannot negotiate a deal, if you cannot get it, at least you can blow it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. And you can blow it as Thor. Bye bye, friends. That's really quite pretty, tell you the truth. That's so pretty. Bye bye. Okay, so now I think I need to show some respect. And here it is. I pull this one off. Let me see how it is. Plug it in. I make it a little bit further away, otherwise it might be too noisy. And we see. Oh my! it will explode. I hope it didn't explode. It didn't explode. Okay. I think I can make it. I should show some respect, some sincerity. A 60 years old, not good looking, white hair old woman, and they give you this for free. I am grateful. I am. Ready, set, go. The next one, I will be on Here magazine. Look at it. Okay, I will stop being silly. Thank you very, very much. So that is it. You will find on the description of this video. It can be hot, can be cold, not hot, and can be strong. 3 level of heat, 3 level of blow power. Okay. Anyway, I am not very good at it. I do not know much about it. What I want to say is that when you cannot get a sponsorship deal, if you cannot get it, you can always blow it. Always blow it. Blow it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do.